Welcome to PlantSpot. Jade, also known as Crassula ovata, is a popular indoor plant known for its attractive, fleshy leaves and ease of care. The plant is native to South Africa and is a member of the Crassulaceae family. Jade has glossy, green leaves that can vary in shape from oval to round and can grow up to 2 inches in length. The plant is a slow grower and can reach a maximum height of around 3 feet with proper care. Jade prefers bright, indirect light and should be watered sparingly, allowing the soil to dry out between waterings. The plant is a popular choice for bonsai enthusiasts and can be trained to grow in various shapes and sizes. Jade is also known for its air-purifying properties and can remove harmful toxins such as formaldehyde from the air. With proper care, jade can be a long-lived indoor plant, and its beautiful foliage makes it a popular choice for home and office decor. Thank you.